Sorry.
It'd be easier for me if I
Sorry, neighbors.
to flee. Oh.
Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm gonna get the windshield tinted finally. So I'm gonna go drop it off at ISSA Wraps. He's gonna do my windshield. They're gonna do 35. And I'm asking him about how much he charges for all the other windows. I don't know about that yet, but for sure I'm gonna do the windshield. Go drop it off right now. Got my nephew right now. He's gonna take the Escalade and then see how there. Alright, so he's taking the Escalade. Pick me up. I'm gonna drop it off. We got some other things to do. Sounds super loud. Let's go. Man, these seats come out badass. I like it. Let's go ahead and go drop the car off at ISSA Wraps right here on South Post Oak. I'll put the link in the description. Make sure I hit them up. And we got other things to do today. Fuck up, boy. Later on today, in a little bit, probably in about 2 hours, we have to go pick up a little car dolly from U-Haul. Nephew actually bought a project car, so we're gonna introduce that to the channel. So y'all stay tuned and find out what we get. Something pretty cool. It's ugly, but it's badass. Stay tuned, guys. And I do owe y'all a 500 subscriber burnout coming soon, so I'll do it pretty quick. I'm not gonna forget about it. We gotta order 2 tires, so I can roast these tires, and then I'll be able to do it. Out here, this guys. I actually live like real close to 610 Tire and Wheel. ISSA Wraps is right behind there. Their brother-in-laws, I think. So you can see it there. 16. Where's that guy at? 610 Tire and Wheel. But they're just over there. Show you when I'm done. It goes that guy says 16 wheels. I dropped the car off right here, window tint. So it's a wrap. Make sure I hit up these guys. Badass. We'll see how it comes out. Got my nephew. Told him a little bit of what you're getting. I didn't tell him what you're getting, so don't say nothing. So we showed them. So pick up the dolly in a little bit and head out to that place and show you what we're getting. Alright, so gotta get the ball. Put it on. Gotta go pick up the trailer. Take the Escalade, should do good. Slide it right. Alright, put the pin. There it is, put that on. Fixing to go get the trailer. So, let's do it. Alright, we're here at the U-Haul place. Pick up the dang trailer, see I'm right there. I don't know if you can. We got the trailer. I'm about to head and go pick up my car, and then we're gonna go pick up this guy's car.
Yes, sir.
So 610 wheels. It's a wrap over there. Oh shit. Remember, I got a trailer on me. A dolly, whatever. Alright, let me show you the car when I get home real quick. He's so nice, he says he's gonna pay for it.
Yeah, right?
Think he could.
Oh, we have a 50.
I think I have money. Hold on. Damn, she's looking good. That looks tight. Sick.
Oh, wow.
That actually makes a big difference, dude.
Yeah, it does.
Now I gotta get the black hood. So, it's the wraps, man. Check them out. Alright, got the nephew driving the car. Yeah, it looks pretty dope. Hit him up, it's the wraps. He's gonna be doing the rest of the windows another day, and then we're gonna do the roof red. So pretty sick. almost here. About to pick up this Jaguar. How do you feel about it, buddy?
Man, I feel amazing, bro. I feel
Turn
amazing.
right after a quarter of a
Awesome.
mile.
What are you gonna? What's the first music gonna play when you?
Oh man, it's gonna be this one right here. Look, look, look.
From rags to riches. You would only
It's gonna be a fun car.
Yeah, it's gonna be a really, really fun car.
Yeah.
To bring back.
Y'all stay tuned, subscribe. Y'all need to see this thing. It's gonna turn out pretty badass. Alright, we're here, guys. You can actually see it over there.
Got the racks on racks.
Let me see the racks. Alright, so there it is, guys. We're gonna pull it out real quick. We're gonna show them respect and their privacy, so we're not gonna record. But we'll show you when I get on the trailer. Badass.
Do you have a pin?
Yeah.
Give me the pin.
Alright, we'll get back to y'all. Alright, we got his Jaguar. What year was it?
1983
XJ6.
XJ6 Series D Jaguar.
Yeah, fun little build.
Yeah.
See it right there pulling. So we'll get to the gas station. I'm gonna double check the straps, and then I'll show you the car and the trailer, and then we'll get it home.
Jaguar!
That was fucking sick.
I got a Jaguar, what the fuck? Yeah.
Alright guys, here it is. 83 Jaguar XJ6. Here right now, move it back there. I'm gonna wash it. See how it looks like. Freaking sick, dude.
It's fucking beautiful, man. It's an amazing car, man.
So, needs a lot of work. Has a couple rough spots. It is from California. Here it is. Project. G looking good over there. But we'll watch this right now. See how it looks out. There's a lot of scratches, but I think we're gonna do a detail later on. But right now, I'm gonna wash it regular soap and water, clean the inside, and turn it on and stuff. So, get out the trailer.
Wow.
Alright, here it is, guys. The 83 XJ6. Gonna wash it, get the stuff out, clean it up, see what it looks like, do the wheels, do the body. And the sucker turned right on like nothing.
I didn't push it on the way.
Look at that on. You have a guess? I think it's clean.
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright. We're gonna do a little time lapse. We're gonna watch it real quick, see what it looks like. And show y'all what we're doing. Alright, first gonna take a spin.
Man, that shit's fucking far.
Alright, it's gonna be hot.
I know. I can see. Oh shit.
Alright, make sure the brakes work. The radio does work. Turn it down before you get copyrighted. I just don't floor it.
Just go this way?
Yeah, we'll go this way. Alright, first drive, man. It's badass.
I mean, it drives, but
Sucks right now. There's no AC. It does blow.
it does blow on my side.
Yeah, it's not blowing on our side, but it's barely blowing on this side. Windows don't roll down, so we're gonna have to fix that pretty soon. But it's a nice little car, and it runs. Just after you pass up these people over here, give it a little bit of gas.
I can't. Like, I'm putting full pedal down.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. I think it's stuck.
Alright. Let me drive it at the stop sign.
And that's actually?
Alright, there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel. Check out his XJ6. Maybe lower it, wheels. I don't know, we'll find out. In the tint. So, look good. Red seats look awesome. So, successful day. Got the XJ6 already. So, let's end it here. Enjoy the cinematics.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this, wet. Tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this, wet. Tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this, wet. Tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this, wet. Tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch.